Alright, I just finished taking my mom to work. I'm gonna show you guys my car. I never have, because it's like my second vlog. Alright, so this is my car. Oof, it's red too. My parents bought it for me though, but it's mine. It's under my name. This is my car. Oof, it looks nice though, isn't it? It's so nice. Read my car, read my car. I like it. I love it. I like it a lot. Like it a lot. In the red donkey. It doesn't need clean, so ignore that. But look, ooh, boxing gloves, Mexico, because I like boxing. These were mine. These were already in my house. And the little minion. Ooh, for Christmas time, I put him like a little Christmas hat. Bad as fuck too, but it's fine. The keychains though, this Batman Lego is beat up though. You already know Mexico. Car keys itself, little Batman, you know. This is fire. You already know the GOAT. It's already dirty though. I had a Spider-Man one, but it broke. And the car key, of course.